AI into your workflow is an example of working smarter. To get even smarter help from Copilot in your ECL projects, let's teach Copilot about your repository, about your workflow and process, and then use the ECL agent for sharper, more on-topic ECL answers tailored to your workflow. Let's begin by generating repository instructions. Repository instructions are essentially documentation that you add to your code base, usually in a .github directory at the top level of your home directory, so that Copilot and the chat agents can immediately understand your project. To generate default Copilot instructions, make sure you're using VS Code version 1.102 or later with ECL extensions installed. And go ahead and open up the Copilot chat panel by pressing Ctrl-Shift and I keys. Navigate to the settings menu in the panel at the top and select Generate Instructions. This will have Copilot generate an initial set of instructions. These instructions are written in Markdown files and are automatically placed in the correct location within your repository. Then you can also ask the agent to generate instructions integrating our build and workflow for an even better understanding of your development environment. You ask the workspace agent at workspace, generate Copilot instructions that explains our ECL build and submit workflow. Then you can commit these instructions right into your repository. Save your instructions, commit them to your repository, and all agents and teammates benefit. Now, let's further enhance and refine our instructions and provide additional frames of reference for Copilot by adding in the official documentation. ECL extension ships with some general instructions. However, repository-specific instructions can really help to maximize the effectiveness of Copilot. Once it's generated these instruction files, you can save them and commit them to our repository. When ECL Agent starts up, it will read these instructions. The ECL Agent is a VS Code chat participant that ships with the ECL extension. To use it, simply type @ECL and ask any questions. It answers from your locally indexed docs. Protect your ECL logic as your code evolves. Generate some coverage tests. Coverage tests, it uses the ECL's extension to draft tests and then refine them to match your data and your patterns. What these tests will do to see how much of your code is covered in the tests. The higher percentage of coverage, the better the test would be. Coverage highlights untested logic and prevents regressions. Summing up, our repo instructions can teach your Copilot more about ECL and your workflow using repository-specific instructions. Best way to get the most effective use from Copilot.
If you like this video or if you learned something, hit the like and subscribe button and let us know. For the HPCC Systems Developers Series videos, once again, thank you for watching.